Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Net Crochet Tejido. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to crochet this beautiful headband. It's very easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try, and here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell, that way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see in English, go to my YouTube channel, the main page, that you'll find the English version. To make this hairband, I'm going to use this leftover yarn. It's the Loop 3 Impeccable, medium 4, 100% acrylic, and the color is true gray. And the crochet hook is a 6mm. You're going to need tapestry needle. I'm going to start by leaving a tail long enough to do 20 chains. And I'm going to do my double chains. If you like, you can do just a regular chain. So I'm going to do my slip knot. This is the tail, the working yarn. I'm going to grab it like this. I wrap the tail, pass the working yarn right through, wrap the tail, pass the working yarn right through, and like that you're going to work your 20 chains. I already have a video tutorial where I teach how to do this chain a little bit more slow and with more detail. So when I have my 20 chains, I will meet you here. You see, it's a chain in here, a chain in the top, and like this in the back. Once you have your 20 chains, you'll chain one, and you'll see you have a chain in here, one in the top, and in this one in the top, and the second strand in the back strand, you're going to do slip stitches. And in total you're going to do 20 slip stitches, always in the back strand. Like this. And this will give you a beautiful stretchy 1x1 rib. You always have to make sure that you do a slip stitch in the back strand, and you always have the same amount of the slip stitch that you have of chains. Eighteen, 19, and 20. And again, you have that chain in the top here. You'll chain one. You're going to turn your work around, and in the second chain from the hook, you have the first one, the second, and the back strand. You're going to do your slip stitch. And if you by mistake do single crochet, you'll see it. You have to undo that row and do a slip stitch. All is in the back strand. I absolutely love this. You can tell by the many times I use it lately in my projects. So when you find something that you like, you try to use it in everything you can. And as you work, it'll get easier because you will have something to hold on to it. And 20, you're going to chain 1, again turn your work around, and the back strand you're going to work your slip stitches. And you created in the top here a beautiful chain stitch. Once you finish, again you will chain 1, turn your work around, and the back strand you will work your slip stitch. Always in the back strand. And as you work, it will get easier. And you can do this even watching TV. You see the chains in here, the same on the other side. And that's how you're gonna work on this. And 20. Chain 1, turn my work around, and exactly the same. I'm gonna work a few rows, and this is what I've done so far, and it's really fast. This took me not even like 5 minutes to do, and it's very stretchy, and it's exactly the same on both sides. And you'll see once you start doing something like this, you'll see how much stretch. I was working with this one, but this one only has 16 stitches, and since that one is a stripe, super saver stripes, it look like this. Look how much that stretched the little piece. So you're gonna work on this until you have the desired length. You're gonna measure around your head as you work, and you can do this like a regular headband, or you can do this like a turban in the front. Once you finish, it will look like this. I have my length, and I measure without stretching. 17.5 inches, 44 centimeters, and the width is 12 centimeters, like a quarter before 5 inches. So 5 inches is here, and 12 centimeters is like 3 little millimeters shorter than 5 inches. So now I'm gonna lose this tail before I sew my piece together. Now for the sewing here, you can do it two ways. You can do it like this, straight. That's what I'm going to do for mine. Or you can do the sewing like a turban. So what you do, if you want this more like a turban, you fold this in half. You fold this in half like this. And you insert this one inside that one like a sandwich. And make sure that they're all even. And and then you grab the strand of yarn. If you have it here at the end, you'll pass it through and then start sewing with the tapestry needle like this. Make sure that you sew the 4 layers like this, and then when you flip it over, it will be like this in the front. But for mine, I want it straight like this because it fit to purpose. It can be for the head or can be for the neck, either or. I'm gonna sew mine like this. I like it nice, that is nice and wide. It looks really, really nice. Well, like this is the seam. It's a little bit more thick than the rest, but that'll go in the back. And the front, look at it. I absolutely love it, especially to go for hikes in the morning. If it's a little bit windy, you grab one of these and it's perfect. You can put it in your jacket pocket, in your purse, in your bag. This make fantastic Christmas gift, not only for women, for guys too. You make them a little bit narrower for guys, like 15 stitches, and it's perfect to go for hikes in the morning, to walk the dog and all that stuff, to take the bus. So I hope you guys like it, and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber and you make any of these headbands and you want to send me some picture. You can do it through my Facebook page, Rubinnet Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Rubinnet Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups. That way you help me grow here on YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.